Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the mixer's Bluetooth and putting it into pairing mode. This is necessary so your source device can see it. Next, on your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. This ensures a clear connection path. If the mixer displays or requires a PIN, enter it when prompted. 0000 or 1234 are common defaults. Once done, keep devices within 6 feet to reduce interference and avoid other active Bluetooth sources nearby. You'll now select the mixer from your device's list of discovered Bluetooth devices. Tap to pair and wait for confirmation. On the mixer, check the display or LED that indicates a successful connection, then assign the Bluetooth input to a channel or directly to the main mix so audio is heard. Make sure channel gain and fader are set low before testing, then raise slowly to avoid surprises. If your mixer supports input priority or ducking, configure that now so playback behaves as intended. Finish by playing test audio and adjusting EQ, gain, and main fader to achieve correct levels and clarity. Listen for latency or distortion. If you encounter dropouts, move devices closer, remove obstacles, or turn off nearby Wi-Fi that may interfere. Sometimes switching to a different Bluetooth codec helps. If pairing fails, turn Bluetooth off and on both devices, power cycle the mixer, then reinitiate pairing. One key tip: delete old pairings on both sides before repairing to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.